Hey you guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are watching me for the first time, then make sure you go and click the red subscribe button down below and also tap on the bell icon so that you'll be notified for each and every video that I will be uploading hereafter. In today's video, I am going to talk about V-Wash Intimate Hygiene Wash. I'm going to tell you what it is, how to use it, the benefits, side effects, and also I'm going to tell you whether it is good or bad for your health. So, let's get started.
Hey, pop the trunk, I open up, I saw myself a price out of sight in my whole got time.
Okay guys, first let me start with what exactly this V-Wash is. It is the Intimate Hygiene Wash, which means you have to wash your vagina using this V-Wash. So that is what it basically is, and also it says that it maintains a pH level of 3.5, which is really good for your health and for your intimate areas, and also it says that it prevents bad smell and it kind of gives you that refreshing smell and something like that. So that is what basically V-Wash is. It is very simple to use. You have to take some on your hand, in your palm, and you have to apply it in your intimate areas, and you have to wash it with normal water or warm water. So that is what it is basically. So I'm going to tell you the benefits, the side effects, and should we use it or not. Okay guys, I have used it like for 4 to 5 days, and I will tell you that what I feel is the best in this V-Wash. The number one is the fragrance. It really gives you very good, nice fragrance, which is actually feels refreshing. And the second benefit is we feel fresh. When we wash our intimate areas with just water, we will not feel that much refreshing. But when we use this V-Wash, we will feel really refreshing and it feels so fresh. These are all the two benefits that I felt. But seriously, there are so many disadvantages, you guys. There are a lot of chemicals in this V-Wash. There are so many girls who are using this V-Wash and they say that they love it. Actually, even I loved it, but to be frank, it has really a lot of chemicals. Just think, during our ancient times and before some years, there were nothing like V-Wash or anything of that sort. We just used warm water to wash our intimate areas and they were really healthy. And that is what I would say. Do not use anything like this. Just use water. That is more than enough. I don't know whether you guys know this or not. Do not use soap on your intimate areas. You might think that to smell fresh, you have to apply soap. It's not like that. You should not apply soap. I will tell you what is there in the packaging. In the front side, it is written as V-Wash Expert Intimate Hygiene, and it says that it maintains pH level of 3.5 and it is enriched with sea buckthorn oil and tea tree oil, and also it has 100 ml, and yeah, at the back side it is given as for daily vaginal cleansing, prevents unpleasant smell and irritations in the intimate areas, which is actually true, usable during periods as well. And use in 2 easy steps. Gently squeeze the bottle to take few drops of V-Wash plus apply externally to intimate area and to wash away. So that is what it is given. It is also given like a chart, kind of like a chart. When we use V-Wash plus, the pH level will be 3.5, which is actually required for our intimate areas. But when we use water, it will be 7 to 8. When we use soap, it will be 11 to 12, which is so bad. That is what it says. But actually, I will not really suggest this V-Wash Plus to any girls out there because this has a lot of chemicals. Even though it smells good, it has really a lot of chemicals. Our intimate areas are really so sensitive parts and we have to take care of it really like a baby. So don't use anything of that sort. Just use warm water, which really get rid of all the fungus and infections from your intimate areas. Just use warm water, which will really get rid of all kind of infections and fungus from your intimate areas. Do not use anything of this sort. I will never ever recommend these kind of products to you all. Now I'll tell you my experience, guys. I have used it for 4 to 5 days. Usually I don't have white discharge problem. I do not have vaginal white discharge problem. But after using this for like 4 to 5 days, I saw some white patches on my underwears. But I seriously did not like it. I don't know whether it's because of this V-Wash or maybe I got some infection. I don't know why or what. but that is what happened. So I did not really like it. Even one of my friends used this. I asked her. She told me that she got kind of like the itchy sensation, some infections after continuously using it. So yeah, as far as I know and as far as I have researched, this is what I have heard, that this is not really good for your health. If you have your periods, during your periods, always wash your vagina with warm water. That really helps you guys. I love to wash my intimate areas using warm water, and I don't really like this V-wash. As you can see, I have emptied only a little bit and I'm not really liking it. I will never ever recommend this. Please do not use it, guys. This is totally dangerous. Don't use this. If you have one, just throw it away. I do have like more than half the bottle. This one is for rupees 165, but I'm not going to worry about it. I just don't want to put my life at risk for this 165 rupees. So I'm really going to throw this away. Do not ever use anything of this sort. If you want to use any intimate hygiene wash or any intimate hygiene wipes, make sure you're doing detailed research and ask your gynecologist. I have seen so many articles of gynecologists regarding this V-wash, and most of them said that it is not really helpful and this will be really harmful if we keep using it. So do not use it, guys. That is what I really wanted to say. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you really liked this video. If you really like this video, make sure you give a big thumbs up and also share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, it's bye-bye from Katie. Bye.